Some serious progress on this project. What was once a series of small rooms is now this open concept. Hey, Rodrigo. So you have a living room, falls into a dining room right here. There's a nice big kitchen right here, and it's all been framed. You've got, in the back, you've got a beautiful breakfast nook with morning light coming in. And here on the first floor, they want a full bathroom here and then another bathroom upstairs. So now for us, the challenge is how to get that plumbing into the building. And that provides an opportunity. Let me show you. So our plumber on this job is Fabio. How you doing, my friend?
Hey, how's it going?
Another ugly basement for us?
Like always.
So we had that old bathroom group right here, full-size stack. You can see the old cast iron right here. Now we've got a new bathroom group right here. And so you say, what do you do with this? You know, we could cut it and modify it. We turn it to PVC.
Hook it up on the old cast iron, but then we have the electrical panel right there.
We want to be away from that.
Yes.
And the other thing that gets me is that this is a headbanger.
Yeah,
now, there's
definitely.
a laundry right over here, so if we don't do something, you're going to be awful for the poor homeowners. So one thing we could do would be to cut this, transition to PVC, and just offset this horizontal a little bit higher to get it above head height.
Yeah, but I think I found a better solution. We can just use the joist, who is running this way, and put our drain like this.
So look at that. So because the joist runs this way, we can now put it with pitch going back this way towards the main drain above the beam. And what's not to love about that? Homeowner's going to be very happy with you. Well, it'll be great to have all that horizontal piping out of the way. So now our challenge is, by code, we need to have a full-size stack that comes from the basement with pitch, in this case upwards, up through the building and out through the roof. And that poses some challenges. Here's our joist down below right here. And the perfect place was right there, right?
Yeah, right in this 2x6 wall, but unfortunately you have the staircase header right below it. So what we thought was going with our drain right here.
It'll fit right there.
Yeah.
And that seems easy enough for the pipe anyways, but as soon as we add a fitting, which we will, it gets too fat. So we're gonna have to pad one of the walls.
Yeah, I already talked to D'Alessandro, and he said since the bathroom is too small, we should pad it on the kitchen side
and pad
because
this whole wall.
the kitchen is so large,
Right.
and then we have a nice fitting inside the wall.
Correct. So now we come here, we make this go away, and the piping continues up. And then I see you've drilled for your toilet there on the master bathroom, and that's not good.
Not good because it just landed on the joist. And
So what, either head it off or change the toilet?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so now you introduce a Y, so that lets you go to your branch to that second floor toilet. And now you're gonna turn, you go horizontally, and then that goes up through a closet and out through the roof. It's sort of convoluted, but it's the only way you're gonna do it. All right, I hear some banging. Let's go check. All right, the fun part. All right, so this is when we smash this out of here. I love this. All right, cast iron is pretty unique because it's got this property that if you hit it, it will actually smash. So why don't you keep going, Raphael. I don't want to slow you down. This is the fun part. Almost, here we go. All right, it's good therapy. Okay, just take it down. Look at that. All right, grab that, guys. Oh, beautiful. We came not a moment too soon. Look at this. So I think this was ready for us. All right, so most of that horizontal drain is gone now. We got a ragged edge here, but we need a clean edge to tie onto because we have to make the new work go that way. So in the old days, my grandfather's day it would have been, somebody would have actually taken a cold chisel and tried to hit it with enough force to create a line that would finally snap the pipe. No, no. Guys, bring that fabulous to him. This is a chain cutter. You can see it's got blades on this chain. Okay, now he's gonna, with a ratchet, he's gonna create enough torque to actually snap this thing. Keep going, keep going. Look at that. Perfect clean cut, great. So now we've got this adapter. It's got a neoprene gasket, stainless steel bands, and we'll put that down on here. We'll tighten it up, and now we're ready to go. All right, so that's all snugged up. In just a little bit of time, you got this run here perfectly up inside the joist bay. Look at the headroom here. Pick up the first floor, go vertical.
All the way up.
But look at this. You were clear from the electrical panel, plenty of head height, nothing to bang.
We can even put a pool table here.
We could. Thanks for your great work, you guys. Awesome. I'll get the beer.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.